What's up, Industrial Automation World? I'm Mike. I'm the marketing manager for Scott Equipment Company. Today, the marketing guy is going to show you how easy it is to install a BACO controls push button in your control panel. Got my control panel, my button, I'm going to install it. Take my lock nut, install it on the back. Snug it up with my trusty BACO tool. Just like that. My clip, install it on the back. Snap it in. Control blocks. Just like that, I've got an active push button. If the marketing guy can do it, you can do it too.